What's up, guys? Today we're making this delicious grilled chicken teriyaki, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by taking our tapioca flour and our soy sauce, and we're just going to make a slurry out of that. So you're just going to mix it all until it looks like this, and then set it off to the side. And then we're going to take a pan over medium-high heat, and we're going to add in our gluten-free tamari, and then we're going to add in our rice vinegar, and then we're going to add in our ginger, and we're going to just keep it on medium-high heat with brown sugar, and then our minced garlic and some water, and just mix all of that up. And then we're going to add in our red pepper flakes, and then just keep mixing that, let it get warm, let it simmer, and then we're going to add our tapioca slurry to that, which is going to help it thicken up. So you're just going to keep mixing this until your sauce gets thick, and once it's super thick, just set it to the side. Then we're going to take our chicken breast, and we're going to cut it in half, and then we're going to cut it in half again. So we're going to make like 4 thin slabs, I guess you could call them, and then we're going to put them on a baking sheet, and we're going to like take half of our teriyaki sauce and then coat them, and then cover it with foil and bake it for 20 minutes in the oven. Again, just preheated at 400 degrees. Once it's done, we'll take it out, and the chicken is going to be nice and tender and juicy and look like this. And then you're going to cook some rice on the side, just however you want. So then we're just going to plate it with our rice, our teriyaki, more of our teriyaki sauce, and then just make sure you cut up the greens of some green onions and then top it on that. Yeah, but if you guys like this video, like, rate, subscribe. Bone apple tea. It's good. It's good.